Michelle Morgan here. It's 5:14 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on August 22nd. I am looking at the Great Britain Pound JPY chart. And so currently we're in some bullish momentum here. So here we can see on the 4-hour chart, price action has been staying between this negative 76.4 and this negative 123.6 line. So looking here, when this candlestick has reached the negative 105th, it reaches the negative 123.6 line. Then I'm looking at getting into a buy position and what that would be. So it hits that. Recently, we see that when it surpassed the 123.6, it then hit the blue level of resistance at 143.097. Want to get some different other perspectives here on the hourly chart. We can see that for the most part, this pair has been in consolidation. And so it started out on this candlestick this morning, right between the negative 61 and negative 76.4. So when it's broken here, it's gone up and reached this negative 123. So between the negative 76.4 and the 123 is where you can see where it starts to hesitate and come back down. Let's go check out the 15-minute chart. And so here again, my chart is showing me when it breaks through in the bullish sentiment of the negative 100 bib line, it hits this negative 123.6 bib line as well. So I'm looking for a breakthrough of resistance at negative 100. That is 19 pips. So then my stop loss would be at 19 pips as well. 1-to-1 ratio. 19 pips, 1-to-1 ratio would be right here at the next level, the next big line, negative 76.4. So that would be where my level of stop loss would be. That would be the 1-to-1 ratio. Now, if I was looking to get into a sell position here, we could see going back right now, the daily chart is showing uptrend, 4-hour. We're in this period of consolidation here. So it would need to break the level of negative 176.4 bib line, breakthrough of support, and then we'll look for potential sells to get into. So here we can see where this has been staying in between this. You can see on a broader scale of 123.6. It's definitely been where price action has been reaching its high. And we see it's, we want to see a breakthrough of support at negative 76.4. So right now, recently, it's been staying, these last 15 minutes, it's been consolidated between negative 100 and negative 76.4. So looking for a breakout, negative 6.4, and to go to negative 61.8. Zoom out and see if there's anything as well that we can see. So looking for a breakthrough of support at the negative 76.4 fib line, and I have my crosshair out so we can look along this line where the fibs will be. And we can see here as well, the negative 6.4 is a breakthrough of support, and my stop loss will be negative 61.8, and it does hit there. Let's look at the 15. So looking for a breakthrough of negative 6.4 to get into a sell position, and my stop loss would be set at the next fib line below here, which is at negative 61.8. That is going to be 12 pips here. And so I'm going to do 12 pips in the opposite direction to see what my take profit would be here. 12 pips at the negative 61.8 fib line, and then 12 pips for my stop loss would be at 142.32. That's where my stop loss would be set at. So those would be my two entry points that I'd be looking forward to getting into trades on the Great Britain Pound GPY. Here we can see the 5:30 a.m. candlestick Pacific Standard Time has started, and we're looking for a breakout of consolidation. We can see in this period right here, there was consolidation happening for the last 6 candlesticks. It looks like there wasn't really a major volume, or it wasn't breaking through this period of consolidation right here. So for me, getting into a trade is out of consolidation is a breakthrough line of support or resistance, strong volume, 7 or more pips, and also I look for a period of consolidation, getting out of it as well, confirmation. But here we look to be seeing strong volume. Right now it's at 6 pips instead of 7. So I'm going to go ahead and get into a buy. Then here, going ahead and stick my take profit of this next level of resistance, 11 pips. My stop loss is going to be set at 11 pips as well. I'm going to insert my up arrow here, and this is a level that I'm getting into. Breakthrough of consolidation with strong volume, out of consolidation, so that's part of my trading plan, and this is why I entered this particular trade. 1-to-1 ratio for take profit, stop loss as well.